Morning, dear friends. This is Santosh Tiwari from Ambition Academy, Mahu. My concern is towards all the parents and students, though those who are intending to get into any prestigious medical colleges or engineering colleges. Means they are going to target medical entrance exam, that is NEET, or engineering entrance exam, that is JEE Mains or JEE Advanced, or they are trying to get into National Defense Academies. We are based at Mau, and we are into this segment for last 15 years. We are experts in our segments. My thoughts today is that if you can think beyond beyond this session, that means if you can go for 2020 session, and you look, all of us have gone through very bad situation. That's how our children also went through the same situations. They may have gone through online classes, they may have taken tests, but as we have opened up offline as well, I can see even the greatest or the best brains of my academy are struggling hard to get through the board examinations, means from whom we are expecting to clear IIT JEE entrance or medical entrance, they are struggling to crack board examinations. Why? Is their intelligences off? No. Are they not hardworking? No. So what had happened? It is actually the boredom or the less competitiveness which made them not to get the extra edge. We are working hard on that. So this is for those students who are actually entering into their 12th class or their 10th class from 11th or from 9th, because they have to face board exam as well as, and for 12th and 10th they have to go for some entrance exams along with their board examinations. So please visit the academy as you get the time, as soon as possible, to get the clarity about the courses we have created. Save money, save time, be decisive. Come and join academy courses which is going to be start from April 2021. We have redesigned our content. We have redesigned our content to match the entrance exams, plus to fill the gaps which have been created due to this pandemic. I hope you are getting my concern. I am actually expecting you to come and get counseled up, get the clarity, and take the decisions. Decisions only help you when it is taken on time. Even if you are going to take right decisions but on different times which is not required, then that decision will not help you. So try to come well before the commencement of courses. We have opened up right now. We are open and we are working full-fledged. You can contact me. You can contact on the numbers. I can share it, or you can contact in the message wherever I am sharing this video. Thank you. Thank you very much.